There we go.
Now we can cook.
Yep, now we're gonna cook.
What? What are we going to cook?
We're making cinnamon, like, bread rolls.
Wow! I like cinnamon bread rolls. Ow.
Watch your toes, sorry. Okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. That's the way I'll squint. That's the way I'll squint.
Oh, okay.
That's the way I'll squint.
It's a little sprint.
Ah!
What?
Look! 2 bugs. That one was like, I've never been here before. He's supposed to check out your whole home. Let's let him check out your whole home. Okay? Let's let that bug check out your whole home.
Whole home?
Yeah, our home. Yeah, that we're cooking thing. But bugs can't share anything.
Can you open them?
Thank you. Check it. Mommy, check. Mommy, check.
Check.
Hurry. One is the bed. Oh. After we can take care of the west now.
Okay. I'll try.
Why? Hello. When
Hello.
I'm 6 years old, I can help you with that thing with the knife. Okay? Got it?
Yeah.
I'm
Now, can you help me pull these apart?
Yes. Addy. Oh, I need a glove.
No gloves.
Oh, okay.
That last one.
Oh. Ah, my foot.
Your foot. What happened to your foot?
Right there.
Okay, that's all of them.
My foot. Okay, now we have. Sorry.
It's okay.
Ah.
Alright, now we need the ingredients. We need the sugar,
Okay, we need sugar.
cinnamon,
Cinnamon, got it. Cinnamon,
and...
pink, got it. Can I do it? Yeah.
Okay, go potty. Okay, you did it.
Stay here. There we go. I did it.
You did it?
Yeah,
Alright.
it's white. Can I go smell it? It actually smells good. Alright, you did it good.
Alright,
Yeah.
some sugar.
Mommy,
on top.
Daddy.
Are you gonna try this? Well done.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try it.
Dean, why are you hitting me?
I hit Mommy.
I know, it's not very nice. Is
Mm.
it yummy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, 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 mom.
Alright. Now,
Mom, let's cook them.
yep, now we cook them. Let's see, we added the glaze.
Yep.
And now we're eating it. Addie, take a bite and let's see what you think.
Cheese.
Try it.
Cheese.
Cheese. Is it yummy? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, take a bite. Mmm, is it yummy?
Are these for the squirrels?
Squirrels eat those, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go wake up Bubba so he can eat his, okay?
Okay, let me too.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay.
I almost got hurt. Wake up!
Breakfast is ready.
It's cinnamon rolls, right?
Monkey bread cinnamon rolls, yeah.
It's cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls. Wake up! It's
I'm
cinnamon.
gonna tickle you until the bread. I'm gonna tickle you. No,
Ah! He's gonna tickle me!
such a look.
He's gonna tickle me!
You got food in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
That bowl right there is for you.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Can I feed the squirrels?
Mmm. Hey, Addie was playing on the bed with Bubba, and she bumped her nose on the headrest. You're okay. You're okay. You're just getting...
No, I know.
Yeah, on her nose. It's got a pretty good mark. It's not like super deep or anything. We put some cold on it. It's okay. She's just sad. She can breathe out of it and everything.
My nose.
Her nose is running too, yeah. But she said she wants to play some video games. Let's get you your towel. But just wanted to let you know, she got Sky helping it right now. But just wanted you to be aware. I don't know if there's anything particular I should look at, but she said it hurts if I touch it, but not if she touches it. Right? And the bleeding was only from on top, not from within the nose or anything. So, let me know if there's anything particular I should look at. It's okay, Addie. She's making herself cry thinking about it. So we're gonna play a video game, right? You wanna play Dragon?
Yeah, you can play Dragon when I bring this Bible.
Okay. Addie. Say hi.
Hi.
You broke your skateboard again.
so sad and angry.
Yeah. Addie, say hi to Misty.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's wrong?